Yeah, I shoe glued in this motor mount. Can barely see it. And I need to get it out of here so I can use it on something else rather than keep buying more of them. So let's see if a torch will work. You wouldn't want to do this on a fiberglass boat, that's for sure. Oh, it's stinky. Let's try to take it out now. I gotta get the vice grip. Oh yeah, came right out. Piece of cake. And yeah, I'll heat up the other. I want to reuse this dry line too, so let's heat that up too. While we're out here making a stinky mess. See if we can pull that dry line out now. Oh yeah, came right out. Voila.